G'day, it's Craig from KickAss, and look what I've got today ready for winter is our KickAss rechargeable LED beanies. You ripper, they're available in grey.
Don't forget red.
Oh, I think I like the red one a little bit better, mate. How cool is that? Hey, so check out our awesome KickAss LED rechargeable light beanies. These things are absolutely amazing. Now they're a beautiful, softer touch knitted acrylic material, so no more scratching your head wearing a dodgy beanie. Now, this is unreal. 4 ultra bright LEDs. That is so cool, and it's going to light up your path at night time. It's absolutely sensational. Now what we've got your high, your medium, and your low. Now this LED light is removable. Check this out. So out it comes, and the best thing, it's rechargeable, takes about an hour. All you need to do, plug it into a USB port, wait an hour, and then you've got 11 hours of use with this. This is so cool. And the best thing about the KickAss LED rechargeable beanie is that they're bloody warm. You ripper! So there we have it, the KickAss LED rechargeable beanie. It's absolutely sensational, just in time for winter as well. So make sure you head to our Sunshine Coast store in Warana, head to our Acacia Ridge store south of Brisbane, or head online. You ripper! Say goodbye to tripping over stuff and dimly lit tracks and... Yep, sorry Adam, sorry.
No, you're right.
I'll just chuck it at you and then something like that. Yeah. Goodbye to tripping over stuff and dimly lit tracks in the... Do you want to delete those?